Hi, second graders. Mrs. Laird here to introduce a new reading skill for us to practice. We are going to continue working on A Bad Case of Stripes, but today what we're going to practice is summarizing the story. When we summarize a story, really we're just retelling the story in our own words, but we want to make sure that we include the most important things that we read in the story. So some words that can help you make sure that you include those important events are somebody, wanted, but, so, then. When you use these words, it helps you focus your summary. When you see the word somebody, you need to include your main character, and it's important to reference your character by name. When you see the word wanted, it helps you think about what your main character was doing and why. The word but helps you think about the problem. What problem was your character facing? So is how your character responds to that problem. The word then helps you retell what happened in the end of the story. All right, so let's do it. Now it's your turn. We are going to watch a video and we're going to practice summarizing this short video. When we summarize this short video, we are going to use the words somebody, wanted, but, so, and then to retell what happened in the video. After you've practiced summarizing in the video, then you're going to summarize our story, A Bad Case of Stripes. So what you're going to do is retell the important parts of the story using your own words. Under each portion, you have our clue words, somebody, wanted, but, so, and then. So remember, we are practicing summarizing or retelling the story using your own words and using the most important details. It helps to show that you comprehend and that you know what happened in the text.